What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how you can start your Ford Mustang Mach-E if your key fob dies. We're going to be doing it on a 2021 Mach-E here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start it as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying no key detected. So what we need to do is place the remote in the backup slot, and that's located in the center console. You look right here, this is going to be the slot right here. Just go ahead and put it in there like that. And then you can start your car as you normally would. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.